Hi, everybody. I'm Miss Wheeler Ali. I'm a modern learning resource teacher with the Peel District School Board, and I wanted to just do a model video for you. I'm hoping that this task for your PDSB Online School will help you get familiar with your camera, whether that is on your cell phone, on your tablet, on your computer with a webcam. Whatever way you are going to be able to record some of your learning to communicate to your online teacher, that's what we want to practice. And connected to your wellness, a little strategy that I would like everybody to take a look at. And I think a lot of you probably have watched unboxing videos before. I absolutely love watching them, and I try to make some too. So today we are going to do an unboxing video of all of the things that you need to have inside your wellness kit. So when you're online, as you learned yesterday in day one, you may find that it's hard to sit at a computer for a long amount of time. So what I've done is I've put together my online survival kit, my wellness kit. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you. I'm going to grab a seat and I'm going to show you that I'm not using a box. I'm using my Mickey Mouse bag that I've had for a while. So feel free to put your items that you need for your wellness. Use anything that you want. First thing that's in my wellness kit, a water bottle. We really need to stay hydrated, so you're going to want to make sure that you put a water bottle inside your kit. It can be a reusable one, can be a glass, a cup, whatever you have at your home. Being hydrated is important. Some snacks. You want to make sure that you have some snacks. Some fidget toys. This is a fidget pen that I happen to have around here. So lots of little things for me to do on there. And I also like having these little bouncy balls that if I need a break, I can stand up. It's tiny, so I can use it in the house without it breaking anything. Works in my really small space. Okay, so fidget toys. What else do I have in this box? And for those of you who watch these people who do unboxing videos on YouTube, I'm sure those are much better examples. But again, let's see what else is inside my wellness box. A book. Sometimes you just need to take a break from online school and you want to do something that's not necessarily online. This is a great book, A Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood, Mr. Rogers. I love being able to just flip to any page at all and find something that really inspires me and puts me in a really good mood. Something else that I have in my kit. I have a journal and I've got some pencil crayons. So whatever it is that you like to write with, doodle, draw, something that's just relaxing for you, make sure that you put that inside the box or the bag that you are going to show. Oh yes, it's important to have some running shoes nearby because again, you may want to take advantage of breaks during your PDSB online school day and perhaps get out and enjoy some fresh air, go for a walk with your family, do some running on the spot, for example. So having some running shoes nearby is a great idea. Oh, here's another snack I had in here. I also really like to use some essential oils. Again, whatever you have at home that really helps to calm you, to help you, focus and do really well. I love this peppermint one. Again, none of this is must buy, but I would love to see what else is in your box. One other thing, two more things in my unboxing video. I love to have Lego nearby. I find having something in my hand, and if I'm building with Lego, I find it really helps me to focus when I'm listening to a session online. So you may want to have some Lego or, some boxes, some recycled boxes that you have, anything that kind of keeps your hands busy. If you find that those fidget tools help you or to build, whatever it is that you need, make sure you put it in your unboxing bag or unboxing the box or the bag. The other thing that I like to have on hand is my Spotify playlist. I really do like listening to calming music when I have a break, so that it just kind of calms me down. Or sometimes if I'm feeling a little bit tired during the break, I put on more energetic music. So if you've got a playlist that you listen to, some of your favorite music, whatever you happen to have, if you've got a device, whatever, radio, anything at all, just have some of your favorite music ready to go. So that's all that's in my wellness bag. I would absolutely love to see each and every one of you create a wellness unboxing video or an unbagging your wellness items. And that might be a great way to not only be prepared for online learning when we get started, but also a great way to communicate what's important to you to your online teacher. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope you've loved my unboxing my wellness items video.